What's up, guys? It's Booty Scratcher 46, and we're back for another food review. We have the Takis meal from Wendy's. Try it out. Fries first. Pretty good. Not for $12 Comes with a complimentary Takis bag. Not bad. Let's try the burger.
I just broke it.
Got a little kick to it. It's not bad. Definitely not bad. Now, what I pay $13 for this. No. Would I buy it again? No. But it is not that bad. Time for the drink. Time for the drink.
Hey, it looks like we don't have any drink.
Time for the drink.